Good day, grade 4. So today we will continue our lesson about demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so last time we learned what is demonstrative pronouns. So these are the words that point to something or someone. So again, to point, so same like this arrow, so it pointing below the sentence. Okay, so this is the same when you point something or you show something. So what is the something? So again, that is your mask, that is your book, your pencil, your families, or a fruits or animals. So what is someone? So someone is your brother, your sister, your teacher. Okay, so that is someone. Okay, so here we learn this. Okay, so this is used for referring to something near or we hold. So object that is near or things that is near you or you can touch. Okay, and next that. So use for referring to something far. So this is or we cannot reach. So this one we cannot touch and far away. And this and that is a singular demonstrative pronoun. So they are singular, so only for one things. Okay, so next we have this. Okay, used to point things. You see, things which are near and more than one. So this one here, so it's refer or it shows to a things that is um, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Okay, so it point to the things more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so next, those. Okay, those used to point more than one things. Okay, so from the word things, we have S here. So this is a plural noun or a plural subject. So which are not near. So this one is far away, but this is more than one. So it may be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 or 7, 8, 9, 10. So teacher, can you show us an example? Okay, so for a review, I will show you the example. So this one here, example of picture, vocabulary, and sentence. Okay, so this is my crayon. If you see the hand touches the crayon, and this one here is the crayon, only one. So I'm talking about one crayon here. And we use this, okay? So this because it's near and only one. And is because we're talking about one subject, so the crayon, so only one. And my, so this one is a possessive adjective. So this one is for ownership. And here, this is the crayon, so without S. So no S, okay? Because only one crayon. So this one is a singular noun. So I'm talking here about the box of crayons, so only one box of crayon. And next, this is my earring. So one earring again, so this because near. And you see, is because that is only singular. So we're talking about one earring. And no S because the noun is singular. And next, this is my mask. So mask is only one again, and we use this because it's near, and is because this is a singular subject with we're talking. So it's a mask, one mask, and no S because it's a singular noun. Okay, next. That is the Robinson's Mall. So okay, so that is the Robinson's Mall. So this one you see far away. So that is a far away, but talking only one thing. Okay. Okay, so this one is Robinson. So we're talking about Robinson's Mall, so only one. And we used here is, okay, because it's the subject is one. And I use the article and Robinson because this one is specific, the Robinson's Mall. So this is really the Robinson's Mall because it's have the name here, Robinson. And this is a singular noun, so place singular because we're talking one. And that is the train. So if you see the hand far away, so we use that and train. So train, this one here. So the train is only one. So without S, okay? So without S, and we use singular pronoun. So this one is for singular subject. So sorry, so singular verb. So this one is a singular verb. So this one is for singular subject, the S. Okay, so that next, that is the Tesco Lotus. Okay, so Tesco Lotus, if you see, we use that because far away, and we're talking about one Tesco Lotus. So teacher, why it's have S here? So means it's a plural noun, the Tesco Lotus? No, because it's really have a name. So in base form of his name, it's really have S. So Tesco Lotus, and we use here S for the verb. So this one is a singular, okay? Singular verb. Okay, next. Okay, so this one, this is for two or more. Okay, we use this for two or more, and close or can touch. Okay, so we can touch. So these are, so we use are because this is a plural subject. So this one is a for plural subject. And your, okay, books. Okay, so your books. Okay, so this one here, it touch the hands. Okay, it touches the books. Okay, the hand touches the books. And we have S. Okay, so S because we're talking about more than one books. Okay, next. Okay, these are your jewelry. So if you see, there's a lot of jewelries and it touches by the hand and we use are. Okay, because this is a plural subject. So the subject we're talking is more than one. Okay, next. These are your notebooks. Okay, so notebooks here, if you see, so we have a lot of notebooks, one, two, three, four, five notebooks, and we use this because it's near, and are because this is, we're talking about five notebooks. So the subject here is plural, and books with S. Why we have S? Because this is a plural noun, notebooks. Okay, next. Those are my grandparents. Again, we use those because it's far away, and are because we're talking about two subject, which is the uh, grandma and grandpa. So this one. So this is the grandfather and grandmother and grandparents. So grandparents with S, teacher. Why? Because they are a plural noun and they are far away. So we use those. Okay, again, those are my teachers. So this one here is for the teachers. So we use those because it's far away, and are because we have here the subject. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So seven here. So seven teachers, and we have S because the teachers is plural. Okay, so more than one. Okay, next, those are my friends. So those again because it's far away. So it's far, so you're pointing far away. So it's have a distance. And are my friends. So are because we're talking about one, two, three, four, five, six subject. And this one here, friends. Okay, so this one is a plural noun. So because the friends here is more than one. Okay, so now we will go to your next lesson here, which is the picture and vocabulary. So picture and vocabulary. So here, so picture and vocabulary. So first we have animals. So we have donkey. So donkey, you can if you're watching the strict children, so you can see him at the strict, okay, movie. So this is what this one is part of the animals or donkey. And next we have snakes. Okay, so snakes. So we have so snakes, I think you know this one already. So this one is part of animals too. So we have the harmful and poisonous animals. So snakes. So you must to be careful. But some snakes do not bite, but not they are not poisonous, but some snake is dangerous too. Okay, so next we have fruits. So we have orange here and grape. Orange, yes, this one you can found in the Tesco, you can found in Robinson, you can found in market if you go to the market. So it's a circle one. It's have a color orange. That's why it's called orange, and it rich with vitamin C. Okay, so if you eat the orange, you will get a good vitamin C source. And next, grapes. So grapes, this one here, one, two, three. So this is the grapes here. So why you have S, teacher? Okay, we have S because this is a plural. Okay, plural noun, or we're talking about more than one. Okay, so more than one grapes. So we have one, two, three. So this is part of the fruits. So this is part of the fruits, and you can buy the grapes also at the market, and you can find also at the Robinson supermarket or Tesco. So you can found this one. Different colors. So we have the red, the green, and the black one. Okay, next, school objects. So school objects, we have ruler. So ruler, this one here. So we use this one when you draw or when you make a line. So you use the ruler, and it's always have in your bag, especially when you do the art. So subject, so you really need a ruler. And next, school bags. So school bags, teacher. So it's have S here. So school bags because the bags is plural noun. So it's plural noun. So we have one, two, three, four, five. So five bags. And this is the one you put your notebook, your pencil, or your phone, or sometimes your money you put in your bag or your book. So this one we call it bag. Okay, next we have families. So this one here we have the brothers. So why it's have S teacher? Because we're talking more than one subject. So one, two. So brothers. So they are a plural noun. So brothers. And this one is the son of your mom. Okay, son of your mom. So two son of your mom, brothers. Okay, next, sister. So sister here. So sister, why without S teacher? Because sister is singular, so she is one or alone, so she is single. So only one daughter of your mom, so she is the daughter of your mom. Okay, again, class. So first, for the animals, we have donkey and snakes. Okay, for fruits, we have orange and grapes. For school objects, we have ruler and school bags. And for families, we have brothers and sisters. So this is the picture and vocabulary, okay, of our lesson for today. So thank you and see you class for our next lesson.